Alright, hello and welcome back to another video. As you can see behind me, I have my MCA suspension or my coilovers. Today I'm going to be putting them in. We're not going to bother about trying to set them all perfectly and stuff because one, I don't really know how, and two, because I don't have my wheels on at the moment. They should be getting put on hopefully this week, if not next week. I have them at home, but I've just got to have time really to be able to give the suspension shop my car, because they're selling me my tyres, or they did sell me my tyres, and they're going to set the coilovers to fit the wheels perfectly. So today we're just going to lower it a bit on the BA XR6 wheels that are currently on my car, and then they will sort it out when they get the car. They'll sort it out all perfectly for me. First we just have to get the jack stands from Lloyd's house. Alright, so I don't know if Josh wants everyone knowing where he lives, so I won't face the camera the other way, but I just got Josh's house. Alright, so
the fronts first?
I don't care. So these are the fronts, and then the rears. These are different to the XYZs that I had in 11 Nug, because they're actually a proper coilover rear instead of the separate spring. And Josh is here to do all the hard work.
I love my job.
Alright, so this thing is already too big to fit under it, so we had to put it on these. Just crack wheels and then put it up on the stands. Loosening up this side, I'm going to take the coolant thing off so I can get to this side that's under there. So Josh has just taken this bigger bolt out, and now take these top ones off and it should come off hopefully. Alright, so can't drop it down far enough to get the standard shock and spring out, so we just got to undo this bolt here. You can drop it down further. Alright, so like I say in all my videos, we're not fucking mechanics or anything, we're just trying to do it. But we had to take this bolt out as well, and then it could just drop down and it come out easy as hell. But this is the old one, and this is the new one. Alright, now I just jack up this again and put everything back in.
Yeah.
You just got to tighten it up and tighten up the top, and then do this side. Alright, so as you could see in that time lapse, it started raining. You can't really see in the normal video though, but I left my phone because I was still on videoing on in the rain the whole time. But anyway, so Josh has loosened up these ones, I tightened up the other side, and now he's starting to take this side off. Alright, so I won't put that whole time lapse in because A, it was blurry, and B, all you can see is our asses. But Josh is tightening this stuff up now. I've just tightened these up. And yeah, then we're gonna try and set them just a little bit low. We're not really gonna try and do them too perfect or anything, because like I said, they're getting changed anyway when it goes into bower suspension. And then we'll move on to the rear. The recommended for the front dampening is 5, so I put that 5, but the thing's 200 millimeters. I put it at 175 mil. I'll put it at 175 in the rear as well and see how it looks. So wheels back on. Now we got to lower it and see if it sits on the ground or if it's a freaking monster truck, but I'll probably leave it how it is. If it's not stupid low or stupid high, we're just going to leave it how it is in the front and then do the rear at the same measurements, and then just leave that too, unless it's stupid, because it's going to get changed again anyway. But we can't get it high enough to fit the stands under it, so we have to do one side at a time. So basically Josh is just doing it. But what we think I'd do is take this out, take top bolt out, take bottom bolt out, and it looks like that's all you really got to do. But yeah, we'll see if that's how simple it is, but hopefully.
Longer than my fucking life. Really?
From massive stuff around because we couldn't get this bolt undone. We basically had to put as much weight on it as we could and pull the spring out. But if you can get this bolt undone, it's going to be a hell of a lot easier. But yeah, now we just got to chuck this other coil in. It should be right. Alright, so that's that one in. When Josh has finished tightening that last bolt, I'll set them and then we'll do the other side. Alright, so we just adjusted that one. We ended up having, it was way easier to take it back out and then adjust it than it was to adjust it in there. Considering it's only those 2 bolts to take the thing out. But this other one we're going to adjust before we put it in. So we don't have to be taking it out again or trying to adjust it while it's in there. It's alright. Alright, so we had the same problem with this side. We couldn't get this bolt on the bottom undone. So basically, I just stood on top of that and then he pried it out from the top. Probably should have showed you that, but I'll use to figure it out. All I did was stand on the lug nuts and then yeah, you just got a spinner and pried it out. To get this bolt on the bottom that he's doing up again now, I had to full lay down and put all my weight off this, both hands, and just pull as tight as I could off it, because that's how tight it was. So I don't think anything on this car's ever been changed, but yeah, we got it sorted now. And we'll just tighten that up and then that's it. Put the wheel back on and we'll show you how it sits, but we can adjust it anyway, which is going to be adjusted when the wheels go on, which will be in another video, so yeah. Alright. It's pretty dark, flash isn't too good, but it didn't turn out to sitting too bad for our first ever attempt at this. This side's even worse lighting, but it's pretty even all the way around. I'm gonna go for a drive in a minute and might bed in and be a little bit lower. I'll probably do another video when we get to KFC or Macca's or wherever we're going. But yeah. Alright, so we just went for a drive. It's pretty low, like it's gone lower after driving it a bit, but the rear is a bit bouncy, it's a bit soft, so we're just gonna stiffen it up a little bit, hopefully makes it a bit better. But yeah. Alright, so I thought I filmed ending to that video, but apparently not. But yeah, I just want to say the video is not sponsored or anything, but I got my parts through Long Boost Performance, like I have with a lot of my other parts. He's always been good to deal with and cheap prices, so if you want to get some as well, hit him up on Facebook, or I think maybe he has a website, I'm not too sure. But yeah, if you've liked the video, please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.